Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're reviewing the Honor Magic 8 Pro, Honor's new AI-forward flagship that launched in October 2025. This phone jumps hard into AI features, a beefy telephoto camera system, and huge battery claims. I've pulled the official specs and hands-on coverage, so let's cut through the headlines and see what actually matters. Design. Right out of the box, the Magic 8 Pro looks and feels like a modern flagship. It has an elegant curved glass body, thin bezels, and a distinctly premium finish. Honor kept the camera island clean and balanced, which helps the phone look less cluttered than some rivals. Build weight is noticeable. Don't expect a featherlight device, but the finish and fit feel premium. Display. You're getting a large OLED display in the 6.7 to 6.8 inch range with a high refresh rate. Honor advertises a 120 Hz adaptive panel with very high peak brightness in its China spec. In short, the screen is bright, vibrant, and excellent for media and gaming. If you want to watch HDR content, this display is one of the strong points. Performance. Under the hood, Honor ships top-tier silicon, the latest Snapdragon flagship class chip, paired with plenty of RAM and fast storage. That means snappy UI performance, smooth multitasking, and high-end gaming potential. Software ships on Magic OS X based on Android 16, and Honor is pushing a set of AI features. More on that next. AI features. Honor is marketing this as an AI phone. There's a dedicated AI button that launches Honor's Yo-Yo agent and other AI utilities, things like AI photo cleanup, quick assistance, and contextual AI tools. These will matter more as the software ecosystem grows, but it's a real differentiator on the device. Camera. Camera is a headline feature. The Magic 8 Pro uses a high-end triple camera arrangement that emphasizes a large telephoto sensor. Honor highlights a 200-megapixel ultra-night telephoto on the Pro variant, plus high-resolution main and ultra-wide sensors. Practically, that means the phone focuses on long-range, night, and high-detail zoom shots. Expect strong zoom performance, AI anti-shake for telephoto shots, and solid daytime image quality. Video capabilities include high-resolution recording and Honor's stabilization and AI video features, ideal for creators who want stabilized zoomed clips without a gimbal. Battery. Battery claims are impressive. In China, the Pro lists around a 7,200 mAh silicon carbon battery with extremely fast wired charging. Honor pushes up to 120 watts in certain regions. Keep in mind, global variants may ship with smaller capacities and different charging caps due to region rules. But battery life should be excellent overall, and charging speeds are among the fastest you'll see if you get the region that supports them. Verdict. If you want flagship camera versatility, especially long-range zoom and night telephoto shots, and you care about battery life and AI features, the Magic 8 Pro is compelling. If your market receives the full 7,200 mAh/120 watt package, you get both endurance and ultra-fast top-up speeds. On the flip side, check your regional model's exact battery and charging specs before buying, because those can vary. Overall, it's a serious flagship contender with a strong camera focus and real AI ambitions. And all right, that's the Honor Magic 8 Pro, based on the official announcement and hands-on reports. If you want, I can now make 2 punchy shorts, a comparison script versus Phone X, or a title plus description plus tags for the US audience. Which one do you want next?